Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing how to attempt first year physics paper for any examination. First you are given with OMR sheet. So you have to fill in the roll number column your roll number and version number. Then write the subject and paper, tick part 1 and then write your sign. Then fill in the bubbles of answer. 17 MCQs are given to you and you have to fill it that, and you have to fill the bubbles in it. Then you have section number B, in which I'm showing you how to attempt the questions. Like this you can write section number B and part number 1. Then part number 2, vector product, like this. Then condition. Then part number 3, like this. In this way you can attempt in your exams. Then part number 4, each carry 3 marks. Then part number 5, scalar product can be 0 and vector product can be 0. Then part number 7. In this way you can attempt in your exam. Then part number 9, I told you projectile topic is very important, so practice that. Then part number 8 is also related to the projectile, when the range is maximum. Then moving towards section number C, in which part number A is numerical. In this way you can solve numerical. Write first data, then find, then solution. Then part number 2, positive work done and negative work done. In this way you can highlight the important points or write in the bold letters. Then part number 3, escape velocity of Earth. Then part number 6. Then part number 7, moment of inertia. Then part number 8, example. Then part number 8, numerical. This is the first numerical. The values are changed but the pattern is same. Then we are given with 9, drag force. Factors of drag force. Then we are given 10, terminal velocity. Then section D, long question answer. Question number 4, A part, absolute potential energy. In this way you can attempt in the exam. First write definition and then diagram. Draw neatly, colorfully and highlight the main points. Then explanation. Then derivation. In this way you can do the derivation of absolute potential energy. So the derivation is going on. Then total work done, you have to find it in the absolute potential energy. Then here it is derived. Then part B is escape velocity. Derivation. First you have to write the definition of escape velocity. Then derivation of escape velocity like this. This is also very important topic. Like this you are doing the derivation and highlight the 3 values of escape velocity. Then question number 3 part A, vector addition by rectangular component, introduction, magnitude of component, and like this you have to draw diagram and write the resultant. So this is how can you attempt physics paper in first year Federal Board examination. I hope you all like it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.